How's the boykies? It's Boomer here from Boomer Shenanigans. I'm currently in a beautiful place in Middelburg. What? Just look at this. SA. Guys, and in Middelburg, can you believe this? It's not even at the Kruger Park or in Cape Town or anything. It's a mining city where they make coal and steel and all different things. So, what the hell? This is beautiful. Guys, come check us out on Boomer Shenanigans. We are planning on some crazy scanning and hacking. We are looking for data sites at the moment. This might just get interesting. I just bought myself the Astros and yeah, making a video with this soon. Stay tuned, guys.